Shaheen just bangs it down the ground. Here he goes again. It's length again, and he has launched it. It's not a good delivery. It's two bad balls, really. Straight down the ground. And that is it. Game, set and match. It's 7 out of 7 for Nottinghamshire against Durham. Despite the fact that Alex Lees did everything that he could to keep his team out there, to keep fighting to the very end, in the end, the quality of Nottinghamshire has proven too strong. And Durham's unbeaten start to the blast summer has come to an end.
Yeah, the man that so often finishes games with the ball in hand has just finished the game with bat in hand.
So Durham, who would have batted first had they won the toss, 168 for 6, a nice 50 from Oliver Robinson. Stephen Mullaney with 3 for 28 was the star turn for Nottinghamshire with the ball. The Outlaws 171 for 5, winning with 4 balls to spare by 5 wickets.